Hi, this is Baba. Today we are going to make tiger nut milk and turmeric soup. Tiger nut and turmeric have countless skin benefits. Tiger nut nourishes, it softens, it provides elasticity and helps maintain skin hydration. It is loaded with vitamin E. It is extremely rich in antioxidants, which helps to rid the body of harmful free radicals. Tiger nuts have high levels of folic acid, which help in nourishing the skin and preventing skin damage from external factors. Turmeric has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric revives your skin by bringing out the skin's natural glow. It also heals skin wounds. I can go on and on and on about the benefits or the skin benefit of these two special ingredients. But then again, I know we can research and get more idea on it. To prepare your tiger nut milk, you first of all rinse the tiger nut in clean water, and then you put it inside your blender, blend it smoothly with distilled water, of course. When your tiger nut milk is ready, you get a muslin cloth or a cheesecloth. You pour the milk alongside the flakes into it, squeeze all the milk out, squeeze all of it out, and then you will need to get ice block cups, cups for making ice blocks. You measure out your tiger nut milk. I had it, the measurement is 222 grams, and then you fill the ice block cups or containers with it and put it in the freezer. Take out your frozen tiger nut milk from the freezer, and then weigh out your lye. I had the lye at 98.1 grams. You have to be careful at this point, because there is sugar in the tiger nut milk. You have to pour it bit by bit. You don't pour all at once. You pour it a little, you stir it, then you pour again, so that the milk will not get scalded and the sugar in it might caramelize. So you pour it a little at a time, you stir it a little at a time, you stir it until it is all done. Please always have your safety gloves on. Make sure you have your goggles on. Wear a long sleeve shirt so that if there is any splashes, it will not get on your skin and injure you. Today we are using 5 different oils. I have almond oil here at 100 grams. Castor oil, 2 tablespoons. Coconut oil is at 120 grams. Olive oil at 230 grams. $150 grams of palm kernel oil. You can always run this recipe through a soup calculator and make adjustment to it. If the batch is too large, you can reduce the oils, or if it's too small, you can increase it and then use it. Pour your lye milk solution into the oil. Do so gently. Well, just looking at my lye solution, I realized that it was beginning to caramelize the sugar in it, but it hasn't spoiled anything. Alternate blending and stirring. You stir a little, you blend. Add trace, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Actually, essential oil or fragrance is optional. I added lavender, just a few drops of lavender oil. The soap batter is ready to be poured into a mold. Use a soap mold of your choice. Pour the batter into it gently. Dress the top and don't insulate, don't cover up this soap. It will overheat. After 24 hours, our soap is ready. I'm so excited. I just want to, see how this turns out, and it looks good. It looks good. Cut it according to the sizes that is okay for you. Put it away on a rack. Let it cure for 4 weeks. Then you can gift it out to friends and family, or just sell it or use it by yourself. It smells heavenly. If you like this video, please kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.